Do you love grapefruit? Now, I don't really enjoy eating the fruit, but I love the way it smells. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to make their homes toxin-free using essential oil. And today, we're going to be talking all about grapefruit essential oil, how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. First, let's talk about how to use grapefruit essential oil. Its amazing aroma that I love is uplifting and energizing. If you are having feelings of anxiety or stress, you can diffuse grapefruit essential oil to help uplift you and soothe those feelings of anxiety. Grapefruit essential oil helps promote mental focus, so especially if you are feeling those stress and anxiety feelings at work or in a time where you really need to focus, diffusing this will help calm those feelings and help you get what you need to done. Grapefruit essential oil is a great natural cleaner. I love its citrus smell when I'm cleaning a bathroom or kitchen. It helps kill germs, and I know the place not only is clean, but smells clean as well. If you have oily skin, grapefruit essential oil is a great oil to have on hand. It helps shrink pores to help manage oil production. It's also rich in antioxidants and is a skin penetrator. So if you're using it with other essential oil benefits for your skin, grapefruit essential oil is going to help it really get into your skin and improve it. Another way people use grapefruit essential oil is to help curb appetite and promote weight loss. Let's talk about how grapefruit essential oil works. We know an oil works by looking at how it's been used throughout history and looking at its chemical profile. The chemicals in an essential oil are all naturally created by a plant. One of the main occurring chemicals in grapefruit essential oil is D-limonene. D-limonene is what's known to help curb appetite, increase energy, kill germs, and more. You can learn more about how grapefruit essential oil works by clicking the link in the description below to our blog post. Let's make sure you know how to use grapefruit essential oil safely. Grapefruit essential oil can be irritating to the skin. Always dilute it before applying it to the skin. Grapefruit essential oil can have phototoxic properties, which means it'll make your skin more sensitive to sunlight and can cause painful sunburn. So avoid entering direct sunlight after you use this oil on your skin. This oil is generally considered safe to use around dogs, but avoid using it around cats. Whenever you're using an essential oil around a pet, make sure you do it with the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma distresses them. To get more great recipes and uses for grapefruit essential oil, click the link in the description box and remember to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.